crack repair can be combined with driveway resurfacing or top coatings to deliver a longer-lasting, uniform surface. When combining crack repair with resurfacing, start by thoroughly cleaning the area using a stiff broom and pressure washing to remove dirt, vegetation, and loose material, because adhesion depends on a clean substrate. Inspect cracks and identify movement joints versus static cracks, since moving cracks need flexible treatments, while static cracks can be routed and filled with rigid or semi-rigid compounds. For hairline and small cracks, use a low viscosity, polymer modified crack filler applied by pour or gun to penetrate the void and bond to the sides. And for wider cracks, route to a uniform trapezoid and backfill with a hot pour or high modulus sealant to prevent water intrusion. After filling, allow the recommended cure time, which is often 24 to 72 hours depending on temperature and product, before applying any surface overlay, so trapped solvents and moisture do not cause blisters or adhesion failure. Choose a resurfacing product that is chemically and mechanically compatible with the crack filler, a polymer modified asphalt or concrete overlay, and a flexible sealant work well together when both are designed for the same base material. For top coatings such as thin acrylics or cementitious micro toppings, perform a small adhesion test patch and prime if required, and always follow manufacturer temperature and humidity limits for application to ensure consistent curing and long-term performance. Common problems include applying overlay too soon after crack repair, which traps uncured material and leads to delamination. So always follow cure windows and verify tack is gone before proceeding. Another frequent issue is using incompatible materials like a rigid filler under a flexible overlay, which causes new cracks to form. So match flexibility and test a small area first. A third concern is poor surface preparation, where dirt, oils, or efflorescence prevent bonding, and the fix is to perform mechanical cleaning, degreasing, and allow full surface drying before repair and resurfacing. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for projects that combine crack repairs with resurfacing, and we provide resources explaining the methods and materials. We also host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and connect with potential work and clients.